Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making one of Ivory Coast's most popular soup, which is the sauce arachide, also known as the peanut soup or groundnut soup. If you love thick, creamy, flavorful African soups, this one will blow your mind. So guys, for the purpose of this video, I made this soup in two categories. The one without leaf, which you are watching on your screen now, and the one with leaf, which you'll see later in the video as we progress. So guys, sit tight, enjoy, relax. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, this is the preparation method. I said I was going to show you guys how to prepare it. So these are the ingredients we use to prepare it. We have our fish, we have our pepper, we have our arachide, which is the granules. We have our onions, we have our oil. You don't actually need much red oil for it, just a little is fine. You have your pepper, you have your maggi, you have your salt, and the leaf. You can use any of the leaf you want. You can use ugu, you can use scent leaf, but I used potato leaf because that is what I could get here. Yeah, so the next thing is to stir your granules inside a bowl. Yeah, you stir it and you'll be adding water until you get a paste form, just like a pap. Yeah, you see it when I've added so this is it. So you keep turning it and adding water until you get this texture. So once you've gotten this texture, you're good to go. Then you chop your pepper, you chop your onions, and everything is ready. So I'll show you guys how we got to this stage. First of all, you put your oil on the fire. After you put your oil on the fire, you put your onions, you fry your onions, you put your pepper, and after putting your pepper, you allow it to fry for a while. Then you can put your fish, meat, and whatever thing you have to put there, and then you add water. When you add water, you allow it to boil. Yeah, when you allow it to boil, uh, it boils for sometimes. Then you add your arachide, the paste, granules. That is arachide that you've stirred in a plate. You add it into the water and then you turn it and then you leave it for some times to boil, say 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, so after the thing boil, it boil very well. You keep it at a low heat because if you don't keep it at a low heat, it can boil and pour out of the pot. So after it's cooked for some times, then you add your leaf. After you add your leaf, then you just allow it to keep boiling. Yeah, so you can leave it to boil for around 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, after boiling, uh, your soup is ready. Yeah, and one thing I didn't say is most of the soups, almost all the soups here in Ivory Coast, they use rice to eat it. Yeah, unlike us in Nigeria where we use swallow, curry, semo, and all that to eat our soup. Here, all this sauce, as they call it, or soup as we call it, we use rice to eat it. Yeah, they have the ones they use swallow to eat, but all these ones I've mentioned, they use rice to eat them. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Would you like to try this at home? Drop your favorite soup in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow, don't forget to give a like and comment, and I'll see you guys on my next video.